Hello everyone and welcome to the Tellow Family Kitchen. We continue our theme of Italian style cooking. So far we've made pizza, spaghetti, lasagna and macaroni. But one thing we haven't made so far is a dessert this season. And for that we'll go with one of my mom's classic recipes, cherry cream cheese pie. Look at that delicious goodness. Mom has been making this for over 30 years and it's one of my favorite desserts of all time. It does require a little bit of patience, but it's well worth it. For our ingredients, here's our cherry filling, which we'll add at the end. 1 package of cream cheese. We like to get this up to room temperature. Sweetened condensed milk, vanilla extract. We'll mix that together in a bowl and then pour it in our pie crust. So first we'll take our cream cheese and put it in our pan. And in goes the cream cheese. Next we'll go with our sweetened condensed milk. We're going to use 2 teaspoons of this sweetened condensed milk. This might be the most delicious product on earth. If you've never tried this, I highly recommend it. That's 1. Sometimes it's harder to get out when it's brand new than 2. And our last ingredient on this part, we have our pure vanilla extract. We'll do 1 teaspoon of that. About there, onto our mixture. Then we'll get our handheld mixer. It's important to start this off on the lowest setting and start to bring this together. If you see that the cream cheese filling is a little bit thick, we can add a little bit of milk here, and that will help just thin it out a little bit. Good. And then back to more mixing. So after a few minutes of mixing, our pie filling is now done. After a few minutes of mixing, this is what our pie filling looks like. By the way, I went ahead and put our cherry pie filling back in the refrigerator because we won't need it until the end. And then in the meantime, we'll get our cream cheese over here into our pie crust.
Maybe this is God's plan. Only He commands who shall be with whom.
Next, we'll smooth out our pie filling. I want to just get it up to the edges. Then for our last step, we'll put our cover on. And I like to put the aluminum on the sides down just to help insulate it. Then I mentioned we'll need some patience. We'll put it into our refrigerator here for about 3 hours before we put the cherries on top. After about 3 hours, our pie is ready. We'll take off the top here. And time for the cherries. Then just for looks, we'll spread the cherries out evenly here, just to kind of make it look good. Then we'll try it here. That is perfect, just like the one Mom makes. And speaking of, thanks so much to Mom for her help today, running the camera and sharing her recipe. Appreciate her help. And I hope you have a chance to try this cherry cream cheese pie. And if you do, let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate you tuning in. And we'll see you next time from the Tellow Family Kitchen. Ciao.